minsan dyan, nasa biyahe na lahat.
Bata pa may-ari, no?
Yeah, anak niya yan.
Anak mo yun. Nasa probinsya yun.
Nasa probinsya raw si Boss Arthur ah.
Cagayan balik.
Ngayon, bali ba? Okay. You look this one. This is the fuel filter. And we detach the original fitting there. And then we put this one going to the device over there. Into the device, and then after the device going and to the inlet of the injection pump. This one. Okay, so we have a hydraulic pressure is 250 bar. This is very strong, and we have the fit pump there. So again, for fuel filter, we have the inlet from the tank, and this is the return line from the tank, then going out this one, originally going into the injection pump. We detach this one. We replace our hydraulic banjo connection, going to the device, and from the device going into the injection pump. So this is that's it. This is for the fuel installation process. For the hot water, the guy is over there. He's doing the bypass hot water. Okay. So this is the bypass hot water. The other one going to the reservoir. And the rest also going to the intercooler. So from there we detach the original one, going to the device, and then device over there going in, and then going out over there. So we detach the original one, we detach and we install our 716 hot water hose of 300 psi, and that's it. That's it for the installation. We don't touch any engine alteration or electronics. No need for. And then later on we have to test. Okay. Thehco Green. So installation almost done. A lot of Coca-Cola trucks parking in this area. ISUZU Giga 6 WG1. All right. Who is? Sorry. Thank you.